Okay, is this thing on? Okay, yep, it's happening. It's our first video. I'm ready. What's going on, y'all? Welcome to JTC Pro Stitch. I'm Tanisha, the owner and creator behind JTC Pro Stitch Embroidery and Sewing Services. So on this channel, you'll get a chance to join me on my sewing and embroidery journey, watching my business grow. So I want to take you on a little tour of my sewing studio so that way you can get a feel for all the equipment and everything that you're going to get a chance to see. I hope you enjoy. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you loved the tour of the studio. I cannot wait to put together this great content for you all, and we'll see you on the next video.